Starbucks. I got a grande iced vanilla latte with soy milk, light ice all the time. And the plan today is to go to Manhattan Beach and just do a little bit of shopping with my aunt. And I think that we might have dinner reservations at a really good Mexican restaurant, so I'm excited for that. Love Mexican food. My outfit of the day is this. So my top is from Forever 21. I got it years ago, so I don't know if I can link it, but this overall dress kind of thing is also from Forever 21. I will try and find it and then staple white Vans. Oh, and I just got these sunglasses from Target. Anyways, that's plans, so hope you enjoy day one. Paparazzi, paparazzi, say something to the camera, say something to the camera. So I changed because we're going to a Mexican restaurant for dinner, and it's gonna be a little bit chillier. It usually is like 10 degrees colder when it gets darker. So I just switched out my pants from the overall dress, and I just put on these ones, which are from one of the boutiques in my hometown. Don't think I can really link these, but then I also switched to Birkenstocks instead of my Vans because I was getting a blister. And then I threw this on, and this is from Target. Went to Manhattan Beach and did some damage, so I can give you a little haul of what I got later. I was just recording her beautiful face. Yeah. You wanna say anything?
Show them what you look like. Show them what you look like. Come on.
Too much paparazzi. Here's what he looks like.
Hello.
See you.
So all the fans can recognize you when they see you in public.
Hang tight.
Good morning. Happy Sunday. No set plans, so just kind of going with the flow. But yeah, hope you enjoy this part of the vlog. gathered everything up. Well, first of all, I should mention that I got all or most of the stuff from the Grove. Our last day in California, my dad just decided like, hey, we're gonna go anywhere you want, go to any places that the YouTubers you watch go. So just like make a game plan and let's do it. We usually always have one of those days when we go to California because we go to visit my family, but I think secretly my dad likes going and seeing all these cool trendy places too. A couple years ago when like the Pink Wall was still a thing, we went to like Melrose and went to the Pink Wall and Alfred Coffee, and I feel like he really enjoyed it. But yeah, so this time around I decided to go to the Grove because I haven't been there since the first time I ever went to California when I was like 12 or maybe 14. But we usually always go once a year, but obviously we didn't go last year because of COVID. So anyways, yeah, I got all this stuff basically from the Grove, if you're wondering. So like I said, the first place we stopped was Nordstrom, and I tried on this jean, which I'll put a picture of it right here. This lovely pair of jeans. I tried it on. They didn't have anything above a 28. So I went online and I ordered one online, and it got to my house like the day after I got back. Anyways, let's just get into the haul. I also lied. I didn't get most of the stuff from the Grove. I got a lot of it from boutiques in Manhattan Beach because we also went to Manhattan Beach one day. So from Free People, I just got this plain gray tank, and in the back it's like that. It's kind of like halter. One of my roommates has a shirt like this and I really like it, so just got that for like working out or wearing around the house or whatever. This is probably my favorite item that I ended up getting. It's from a boutique in Manhattan Beach called Just Me, and this is it. It is beautiful. It's a romper. I know it kind of looks like a dress, but it's a romper, and I just love all the detailing and the floral colors, and like it looks so delicate, and I love delicate looking things. The sleeves are a little bit see-through, and it just fit me perfectly, and I fell in love with it as soon as I saw it. And then I got another romper, which is kind of more conservative. It's just a plain, like, dark tannish beige romper, which also fit me very well. And then it's kind of open a little bit in the back here. And this one is from Lush. I have a lot of nice summery dresses already, but this one from Nordstrom, which is actually from the brand BP, fit me really well and looked really cute on me. I don't know if you can tell, but there's like little flowers all over it, and I just loved this part of it, and I love that it was like a t-shirt dress, and the fabric is so soft and comfortable. The next item I got from TopShop, and I found it on one of the going out sales, so like I don't really know if I'll be able to link this one, but I really liked it because it's a zip-up t-shirt, but it's like also cropped, and you can unzip it all the way down and I guess wear it like a bralette and unzip it, but I probably will zip it 3/4 of the way. But I thought it was really unique and it fit me perfectly, so that's from TopShop. So I got this at a boutique in Manhattan Beach, and I think it is so cute and unique. It has a bunch of strawberries on it, and the sleeves are kind of like flare at the bottom and they don't go all the way down. And then lastly, my dad wanted me to find some things that I also can wear to my internship. I need some work clothes to wear. So from Madewell, I got these pants. Kind of flowy, kind of still tighter, and the fabric is really soft. That was my first time going into Madewell, and I really love their clothes. A little bit on the pricier side, so I wouldn't shop there all the time, but I definitely want to go back. I got these, and then I got 2 shirts so that I could wear with these, or like just with plain jeans or something. Like I said, these other 2 pieces are from Madewell. So this shirt, it's kind of like a cream milky color. It's not all the way white. I used to hate like puffy sleeves. I thought it looked too girly, but now that I'm at the age where I look older, I think it actually is pretty cute. It's got this shirt, and then I would just like tuck it in, but I think that those two would be really cute together. This was the other shirt that I got to wear with it. I also would tuck that in. And then on the sleeve it has like these rainbow colors, which I thought was really cute. Last but not least, this is just a normal ordinary sweatshirt. My aunt got my dad, my grandma, and I all something to wear from the beach that they go to, like their local beach. It's called Rat Beach, and it has like a little picture of a rat surfing on a skateboard, which I thought was really cute. And I don't really have a lot of crew necks, so I definitely will be wearing this. But yeah, that's about it for everything I got in California shopping. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed that little haul segment.